Okay, Mukul, so you are applying for ESIC JE position.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Mukul Mengi. I come from Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Udhampur, and post that I did my BTech from GCET Jammu, and my interest include playing football and watching movies.
Okay, so when did you complete your BTech?
Ma'am, in 2019.
What have you been doing after that?
Ma'am, I've been preparing for competitive examinations.
But Mukul, 5 years is a long time. So you must have done something, some part-time or something you have worked?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
I've dedicated full time in studies only.
okay. So, see, you tried so hard. Why do you want to apply in ESIC?
Ma'am, the work culture of ESIC is which I have keen interest in. Like they have a role of planning, preparing detailed estimate, and maintaining asset management, asset records, which I have very keen interest in. And moreover, the exam is conducted by one of the prestigious commissions of the India, UPSC, and it will be a privilege to go for the interview and do something about and give something to the society by doing this job.
Okay. How do you think you're suitable for this post?
Ma'am, because I'm very dedicated towards my goal and I'm a hardworking aspirant who has been preparing so hard for the uh, competitive examinations, and moreover the work the work culture in this ESIC department is of construction, and I have very good interest in construction field, like in building and asset management.
Uh, okay, so ESIC is under which ministry?
Ministry of Labor and Employment, Government of India.
Who is the labor minister?
Ma'am, currently the Union Minister and the Rajendra Prasad is the chairman of ESIC. He's an IS officer, and it comes under Union Minister, like the Prime Minister.
Okay, so can you tell me what are the products of ESIC? What does it do?
ESIC basically provides the monetary compensation to the employees in terms of maternity benefits or health benefits. They have built it more than 17 ESIC hospitals for the employees whose monthly salary is below 21,000. They provide uh, a benefit to the employees. Yeah.
Okay, so what all benefits are provided? You mentioned one or two.
Yes, ma'am. One is health benefit that is provided to the employees, and a second is sick benefits, maternity benefits, and in case of something casualty or in case of death, they provide compensation to the employee.
Okay. Okay. Do you know something about RSBY?
No, ma'am. Sorry, I don't know.
Okay. Uh, what are like they have been making certain cards. What are those cards called for
Ma'am,
taking those benefits?
Ayushman card.
That is though when they give the but to avail the benefits of ESIC, there are certain cards which are made for those people who are having a wage of like up to 21,000.
I don't
What?
have any idea.
What is the regulatory body for insurance companies?
Ma'am, a regulatory body would be the Finance Department of India, Finance Minister, uh, and ESIC comes under this Ministry of Labor only.
Okay. Can you tell me the number of medical colleges and dental colleges under ESIC? Like, you
Ma'am,
can
there are 17 ESIC hospitals, and uh, I don't know the exact figure of the dental college, but it is around two to three, or maybe five, six.
where are the headquarters of ESIC?
Ma'am, headquarters is located in New Delhi.
Okay. So what would be your job role as a JE over there?
Ma'am, job role as a JE would be planning and preparing detailed estimate related to the residential or related to the buildings and other services. And moreover, the work comprises mainly of maintaining the asset that are there under ESIC and asset management. Uh,
Yeah. Uh, so what skills are required as a JE? Uh, like your mainly the traits are the skills you can say which are required for a JE to have.
Ma'am, the first and foremost skill of JE would be his technical ability and knowledge to deal with the construction materials, and moreover the quality control would be the foremost thing that is required, and and one would be his technical and analysis, like how he is designing the whole structure and how he is supervising the whole construction, and by referring to IS Indian Standard Codes for the credibility, he should have the key knowledge in that also.
Okay. Can you tell me some like Ayushman is one of the scheme, any other schemes you remember under ESIC?
Ma'am, one scheme I know about Atal Bimit, uh, something like Atal Bimit Vyakti Vikas Yojana. I don't know the exact ABVKY. I remember. I've not
Okay.
read the schemes, ma'am. I will.
Mukul, let me just give you your feedback. See, in your introduction, are there any things you have done during your BTech, like extra work, like maybe some organizations or organization of events, or maybe who held a post or something like that?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have in sports. I have played district and state level football in Jammu and Kashmir. And in college, I have performed in annual day, and I have performed various workshops in college and major project also.
No, no, that is you told me the major project. You mentioned your major project, no? Did you
No, ma'am.
mention? No.
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable with your major project?
मैम एक्चुअली अभी तो इतना सच कुछ रिकॉल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ उसके बारे में, बट आई हैव द हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ दैट. आई रीड इट एंड विल डेफिनेटली.
If you're comfortable, only then say about it.
ओके मैम.
Okay. You can include some of the things that you played district and during your
यस मैम.
BTech, you played district and state level football for the college and whatever things seem like you have achieved something so at that time you can add on to those. Fine, that was your this thing. Why you want to join? Okay, your work culture and all is okay, good work culture, everything. Yes, in the end, you did say that you are like serving and all. That is okay. Okay, but you have to put it very clearly and see, it should seem that you you want to join ESIC, okay, that is a matter of pride also. Like obviously you said, uh, but you have to put it into good points. Okay, fine. Points should be good in that. Uh, then your suitability comes. Suitability, you can mention the traits which should be there. Okay, for your
Okay, ma'am.
obviously the traits which are in you and which should be there for JE. So you can say you can be an asset to the organization.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, along with your technical skills and all, because you're already a civil engineer.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
but you should be clear about the role of the civil engineer.
Okay.
Okay, and have you gone through the document which you have for ESIC?
Ma'am, document that is required in the at the interview only for
No, no,
document.
we have a document where you can like update yourself about these things, like what are the role of civil engineers and all that stuff,
No, ma'am.
and
I
about
don't have any.
schemes and all. Huh?
I don't have any document, ma'am.
It would be at the in the portal. You must have got the portal access, no?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'll.
Okay, otherwise I'll ask
Okay.
somebody to share it with you.
Okay, ma'am.
You are hopeful, na? Yes, I see. Fine. I'll ask somebody to share with you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So you just go through that document also and something from the net also, because see, you are having very less knowledge. You don't know what is RSBY, it is Rashtriya Seva Bima Yojana, which was launched by which has been running since a long time. That was the first
Ma'am.
thing that they launched, and that was for BPL, like below poverty line people.
Okay.
Okay, okay, and they used to like issue those cards and all. Now
Ma'am, can I
these days
write it down?
you can get it there, no? Okay.
So, ma'am,
And but
what are the topics that are important? Can
no,
you please tell me
in the
like where?
document you will have these things. Although the RSBY part is would be on the net, you can find. Here, like I asked you what cards, so that was e-pehchan
E-patch.
cards. Yeah, okay. Two magnetic cards are there. What all is there?
Okay.
It is all there everything is there in the document. Even the
Okay, ma'am.
role of civil engineer and all. And
Okay.
your IRDA is the regulatory of authority for all any insurance.
IRD.
Yeah, okay, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so uh, so these things you should know. Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
my introduction part is sufficient, or I should I add something more in the
No, no, I told you
interview?
what to add in the introduction part. So you add
Should
those
I add
things.
major project after studying, or should I leave it?
See, if you cannot, because you just have your BTech, no, you have no work experience, no
Yes,
MTech.
ma'am. No. Yes,
So
ma'am.
if it'll be good if you can add your major project,
Okay, ma'am.
okay,
Okay.
because that will be a compulsion then.
Okay, ma'am.
But if you are not at all sure after going through it, then don't mention it.
Ma'am, I've studied some important roads and construction in Jammu and Kashmir. Is it okay if I study main topics related to that, or should I study the whole?
Okay, yes, yeah, you can, because as a civil engineer, you need to know all the whatever constructions have been there
Ma'am,
and what
latest
all
construction I know, but for the 2 3
bridges
years,
and all
yes,
and
ma'am.
rivers and all. You should have
Yes,
knowledge
ma'am.
of all that also.
Yes, ma'am.
And plus, what all like problems are faced, what all challenges are faced in that
Okay.
region also. Okay.
Okay.
Because for your region, so you should know everything about
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one. And then rest technical and all. Fine. Okay.